How to fix ThinkPhone 25 text notification sound not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on sound and vibration. Here you can turn on or off your notification sound. Now turn on your notification sound. And after that, go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on apps. And then click on see all apps and scroll down and click on messages and click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear your storage and cache memory. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and check your system updates. Here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.